Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who values online privacy and wants a safer internet experience, then today's video is for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you on how to set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Outline VPN is a user-friendly application that helps you create a secure, encrypted internet connection ideal for protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, remote work, or general digital privacy. So, let's begin with the full setup process. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Outline VPN and look for the official app by Jigsaw Operations LLC. Tap Install, and once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. When the app opens, you'll see a clean and simple interface. To add a VPN server, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter an access key. If you don't have one yet, no problem, I'll show you how to get it. Step 3. To connect Outline VPN to a server, you'll need what's called an access key, which securely links your app to a VPN server. Here's how you can generally get one. Open a browser on your Android device. Search for a trusted site that provides Outline-compatible servers for learning or testing purposes. Navigate to the Outline Setup section. Select a server region that's closest to your location for better performance. You might be asked to enter a username and password to generate the access key. Complete any verification step if required. Once the access key is generated, copy it. Important, this tutorial is for educational use only. Always respect local laws and platform terms of use when using VPNs. This content is not intended to promote any unauthorized activity. Step 4. Go back to the Outline VPN app, and tap the plus icon again. Paste the access key into the input field and tap Add Server or Save. The app will then recognize the server and prepare it for use. Step 5. Once your server is added successfully, tap the Connect button. When prompted, grant the app VPN permissions by tapping Allow. After connecting, you'll see a key icon in your status bar indicating the VPN is active. From now on, your internet traffic will be routed through a secure, encrypted channel, protecting your data and online activity from common threats on unsecured networks. And that's it. You've now set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Whether you're using it for remote work, safe browsing on public Wi-Fi, or maintaining digital privacy, Outline VPN is a reliable and easy-to-use option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on privacy tools and secure technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next